Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of discussing question sets related to database management system. Today we will be discussing the question set number 6. So let's go into the question. The board of directors of HeidiSQL Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in the educational institute. The software was developed by Taraka software solution. Imagine that you are working as a senior software engineer in this company. You and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instructions given to you. The instructions are as follows. So they have said that the HeidiSQL Academy is going to computerize the information of all their teachers, and this task is given to Taraka software solution, and that they have said to imagine that I work as a senior software engineer and this duty has been entrusted to me and my team. So let's go to the question number 1. Create a database called HeidiSQL Academy to store students' data. So for this I will be using the software called HeidiSQL. So to create a new database, go to the session name and right click on it, and then from here go to create new. From here select database and give the name HeidiSQL Academy and give OK. So if we go down, we can see that our database is created here. So our question number 1 is done. Let's go to the question number 2. Create a table called student to store students' data. Follow the instructions below to create this table. They have said to create a table called student and insert the information given in the below table. So to add the new table, go to the database and right click on it and go to create new. From here select table and give the name, in our case student, and to add a new column press this button called add. Let's add our first column as student registration number. Its data type is Vacha and the length is 10. Let's have the second column, first name. Data type is Vacha, length is 40. So the third column, last name. Vacha, length is 45. Fourth column is gender and Vacha, length is 10. And the last column, contact number. Data type is Vacha, length is 10 as well. And let's add the primary key to the student registration number, as it is unique to each and every student. Here if we want, we can add the contact number as a primary key as well, because it's unique to each and every student. And let's give save here, and you can see our table is created called student. Let's go to the question number 3. Enter the data shown in the table below in the table you prepared. When entering data, enter the data graphically. So they are said to enter these data for our created table, and they have additionally said to enter it graphically. There are two methods to enter data, graphically and using queries. In the last video I have talked about entering data using queries. If you haven't watched it, make sure to watch it. Let's add the data. Let's add the first row. Student registration number is STU001. His name is Amal. Last name is Pereira. And gender is male. Let's add the contact number. I'll copy and paste it. And let's add second column. Name is Dummy. Last name is Pereira. Female. The contact number. The third column. Normal. Pakirana last name. Gender is female. Let's add the contact number. Let's add another column. First name Apsara. Last name is Gunasi. Male. The contact number. Next. Likewise, let's add all the data. Now we have successfully added all the data to our table. Let's go to the question number 4. The data of some of the students you have entered above should change as follows. Write the update query statement required to update the data. The gender of student whose student registration number is ST006 is marked as female but should be changed to male. So here you can see the student with the registration number STU006 has mentioned the gender as female. So we have to change it into male using the update query. So for this, I will go to the query section and type the query. First, let me type the update keyword. Then we should give the database name and the table name. And then we have to give the set keyword, and then we have to tell the value to be changed. Tell what should be changed. I'll give the gender column, you will change to male. And I have to give the where clause. After the where clause, I'll give the student registration number to identify where to change. And I'll close end the query with the semicolon. And now let's execute the query. Now if we check the data entered table here, we can see that the female has changed to male. The gender of the normal post registration number is STU006. So let's go to the second part of the fourth question. Naduri Vijay Singha's student registration number STUD010 is stored in the database. It should be changed to STU010. So for this, again, I will have to use another update statement. Let's type it update. Let's give the database name and dot and the table name. Give set and give what we have changed. So here they have said to change the student registration number to STU010. Until the where clause. From there I'll tell which student to change. STUD010. Let's execute it, and now let's check our table. Here you can see that the student who had STUD010 in her registration number has been updated to STU010, who is Naduni Vijay Singh. So our second part of the fourth question is done. Let's go to the third part. Here they have said student registration number, the STU020, student's first name must be changed to Kalani. Write the required update query for that. So here they have said to change the first name of the student STU020 to Kalani. So here it's Chamat. Now let's change it to Kalani. After that, I'll give the first name. First name is Kalani. Give the where clause and say student registration number.
Halal Beats.